This is a 2012 McLaren MP4 12C. It has just 35,530 miles from new and is offered with an original service and warranty book with 8 stamps up to 35,160 miles. Finished in an attractive ice silver with complementing black leather upholstery, there is a collection of invoices from the servicing and the maintenance work, with an upgraded sound system, and has the latest RSR software for the information centre. It's had an air conditioning service and is fitted with a new wiper motor in the June of 2023.